guys, I'm Haley Morales, and today I'm doing my hair care routine, like how I get my hair wavy and how I get it to how y'all always see it. So right now I just took a shower and I'm gonna tell you guys what I use to shampoo and condition my hair. Basically, I'm just gonna brush it out. I brush it out with the Eco Tools brush. It has hair all over it, I'm sorry, but I just brush it and it gets straight because it's wet still. I don't know, y'all have been like requesting a video on how I get my hair like wavy and stuff like that. It's not that frizzy anymore because I've been getting what do you call it, keratin treatments, and I really like those. It's more than Brazilian blowouts. Keratin treatments just like make it healthier and not frizzy, so that is what I get on my hair. I use Groupon, so they're only like $100, even though that's still a lot of money. They're normally like $300 or something like that. Brazilian blowouts make them like straighter and not frizzy, but I like my curly hair. Keratin treatments can make it straight as well, but I don't really like it straight. So yeah, I just brush it out like this. And first of all, I'm gonna show you guys what I use to shampoo and condition my hair with. So I use this right here. I got them from my hair salon lady. So it says Bain de Terre. I don't know, I'll put it on the screen. It's BAINDETERRE. This is the shampoo, this is the conditioner. And she said you only need like a little drop of shampoo and conditioner, but I have like thicker hair. So I use like this much shampoo and like this much conditioner. And that is enough for my hair. And my bangs, I just brush them like this to the front. They're super easy. Okay, so now I'm gonna tell you guys what I use after my shower. So when it's still wet like this, I like to braid it right now. So I get it into equal sections like this, and I make sure they're all brushed out. And then I put some mousse in it, just a little bit. This is the Locking Plus Coconut Curls Dreamy Creamy Mousse. I don't know who this is by. That's what it looks like. I got this at Walmart. This is like my favorite. It's been my favorite for a long time. They just changed the packaging. You have to shake it. You have to shake your mousse before you put it on. So that's what I'm doing. Okay, so I get a little bit and it foams up a lot. So I get about that much. I rub it in between my two hands. And then I just go like that through my hair. I like comb it with my fingers. You gotta make sure you get the back and the front and everything. And go like up to there, because I have frizz all the way to the scalp of my head. The scalp of my head. I do it like this again, and I brush it in there. I don't do this in my bangs because I don't want my bangs to be curly. So once it's like this, I get my hair ties. I always have 3 hair ties, but my other one is gone. My friend used it. I have another one right here. I like the thin hair ties. So I get this section and I braid it. You want to make sure the chunks are even, because if they're not, then you're gonna have like tighter curls somewhere else. If you don't know how to braid, I'll teach you. So you get this section in the front section and you bring the front behind, and you always just bring the front in front of it. You bring the one from behind in front. It's just continually like this, like, yeah, I don't know. If you don't know how to braid, there's probably a tutorial on YouTube, but I'm not good at giving braid tutorials. I look like Wendy's from, we call it Wendy's. I look like the Wendy's girl from Wendy's. I'm a pro at braiding evenly, so I go all the way down to there, as far as I can go. If you have excess, I usually just like tuck it up like that. I don't know, because you want to make sure every single part of your hair is curled. You don't want it to be like the end like this long or something. And then I do the other side, and I like to do this while it's still like soaking wet, and I do it pretty tight because I like the curls to be like tight. I don't know, I want them to be really curly because it's how I like my hair. This makes like super pretty waves. I'll have to like get back to y'all when I wake up because it takes a long time for my hair to dry. You can also blow dry them, but I don't have time for that. I'm just gonna wait for night. Okay, you see like this? This is what I do. I get my hair tie and I tie it. So I get it and I'll like put half of it in there, make a little loop so it's still curly. I like doing that on the ends. So I look like the Wendy's girl. It doesn't matter. But now I get my mousse again. And I kind of get a lot. And I do that on one braid. I just like drag it down each side. I like came up with this routine on myself. I'm just like, so weird. Okay, so I get that. And I just put it all over the braid. And then I squish it in to make sure it's like all in there good. But otherwise my hair will be super frizzy. So squish that in there, and mousse kind of makes it like hard. I don't know. The thing is, if you put it on when your hair is wet, it like won't be really hard. Squish that in there and then put the leftover like in your hair somewhere. I'm gonna do the same on the other side. It just like foams up. It looks so cute and it makes sounds. I don't know if y'all can hear that. But so I just go down this side right here, and I go down the back. Ooh, it got on my shirt. So when you have like this amount left, I just go ahead and start squeezing it in there, and then again I put the leftover just like in my hair to make sure it's like not frizzy or anything. And now you go wash your hands, or else it'll be like all crusty on your hands. Like it'll be all sticky. Whoa, I just dropped my camera in the sink. So now I would usually go to sleep in my bed, but I have to do orders for merch. So this is gonna be air drying, and if you don't have time for it to air dry, you can get a blow dryer and go like on it. For me, that takes a long time because I have super thick hair. Or not super thick hair. You're gonna come for me in the comments saying like, you don't know what it's like to deal with super thick hair. Like, I don't know. But yeah, you can just like blow dry it or wait for it to air dry, or I don't know what else you could do. But yeah, after it's done drying, like in the morning when it's damp, I go ahead and I put in this leave-in conditioner by Aussie, and this is super, super good. You just spray it on. I'll go ahead and spray it on now because it's not gonna do any harm. So you just spray it in like that. And then in the morning you take it out and you just spray it all over your hair, and you can crunch it up a bit, and then that will be good. Also, when if your hair like you haven't showered and it's not wet, you can still spray this in and put it in 2 braids, and then just spray it again and wait for it to dry, and then take it out and it will still be curly. So yeah, that's basically what I do. And if I don't come back in the morning, I'm just gonna say bye now because I probably won't come back. I don't know. I probably will. Okay guys, so it is the next morning and my hair is finally dried, and I'm gonna sit y'all right here. Okay, so I look a mess, but here's what the braids look like. They just stay in usually. The little rubber band came out on this one. I don't know how. Like, was I really that wild last night? I've been up for a good 5 hours. I've been up packaging orders and shipping them out. They're all shipped out. What is it? They're like 450 orders through 450 are shipped out, and then the rest are going to be shipped out like Monday and Wednesday. So oh my gosh, that was really rough. Okay, so this is the hair. Holy crap, this is the curliest it's ever been. That's super curly. It's never been like curly before. Gosh dang. Maybe because I left it in all day. I don't know, but this is super curly. I don't know why, but I guess it like dies down throughout the day anyway. But dang, it's actually never been this curly, and I'm kind of shook why it's so curly. but it doesn't matter. I do the same thing like every time, so I don't really know why it's this curly. So the back gets like separated in two, so I just run my fingers through it. That's the hair. It's super curly right now. Usually it's not this curly, but I guess the longer you leave it in, the more curly it's gonna be, because usually I leave it in from like 10 at night to 7 in the morning. So yeah, and then my bangs, they kind of separate or whatever, I don't know. They just get wild, but I usually just straighten them, but I don't have the time today to do that, so I'm just gonna try to make them work. So yeah, that's like my hair care routine. But usually when I wake up in the morning, I put the leave-in conditioner spray in it. So this is what I use. I already said that, but I just spray it in my hair. This will like get rid of if there's any frizz. There she is. This is the final outcome. Autumn, what's up, baby girl? Oh, you're so pretty. You have something in your eye. They don't like it when I touch their eyes. I don't know why they like hate it so much. This is my baby. Her name's Autumn. Apricot just woke up from his nap, and so he left me. Oh my baby. Turning her collar around, not trying to expose my number. Autumn. Kitty. She goes by Kitty and Autumn. Apricot. 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 He goes by Apricot, like not apricot, apricot. That's what I call him, and he loves it. Apricot. Oh baby, he's so cute. I love him. This is a hair care routine video, not my freaking cats. Well, that's the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Follow all my socials, they'll be in the description down below. Check my website out, and I will see you guys next time. Bye. Just